You know that sickening feeling when life seems to be against you, when everything you've worked for goes up in flames and life is kicking your ass. Don't panic, because this is an opportunity, not a curse. An opportunity to transcend the illusion of duality, where everything appears to be either positive or negative, black or white, light or dark. You exist in a world where everything simply is as it is, from the viewpoint of your higher self and the universe. A world where you have the freedom to choose and create your own reality when, and only when, you comprehend the universal laws. Your life can transform from a hardship to a bliss, from a load to a gift. You are the master of your destiny, not the victim of your circumstances. You are the creator, not the reactor. You are the mirror, not the reflection, and you have a secret weapon called the law of assumption that can help you achieve anything you want. The law of assumption is a universal principle that states that whatever you assume to be true becomes true for you. It means that your assumptions shape your reality, affecting how your brain sees and deals with the world. Think about the placebo effect, a simple assumption of getting a powerful treatment and which triggers real physical changes. It shows the power of beliefs and assumptions over your health. In your mind, assumption is the driver of your life, taking you where you subconsciously think you belong. It's like tuning into a specific channel, attracting events that match your assumptions. Life is full of surprises, and not all of them are pleasant. You are constantly being tested. Loss, challenges, curveballs. Life doesn't care about your plans. It's a harsh reality we all face from the perspective of the human part in us. But we must know and remember that these tough times are our opportunities for growth. Pain changes us. Every painful experience brings out something in us that can only come out in hard times. It's a chance to get tougher, to bounce back, to build your character. God, the universe, or the divine power you believe in is always on your side. Life's troubles are not meant to destroy you, they're meant to prepare you and make you stronger. You are being shaped for a reason, to overcome your obstacles and fly like the eagle you were born to be. Sometimes it may feel like you are alone in your struggles and that no one understands or cares about what you're going through. You may feel like you're fighting a losing battle and that nothing is working in your favor. You may wonder if the universe is even aware of your situation or if it has forgotten about you. But the truth is that the universe, God, or your divine power knows all about it and helps you in tough times, even when you can't see it or feel it. It is always aware of your needs, your desires, and your challenges. It is always sending you signs, guidance, and support. The universe is always working for your highest good, even when it seems like the opposite. The divine power is not separate from you, it is within you and around you. You are part of the universe, and the universe is part of you. You are connected to the source of all creation, and you have access to infinite power, wisdom, and love. You are not a helpless victim, you are a powerful creator. But how can you trust that this divine power knows and helps you in tough times? How can you tap into the divine intelligence and assistance that is always available to you? How can you align yourself with the universal laws that work with you, not against you? To answer these questions, you need to trust that the universe knows and helps you in tough times. You need to ask it for help, because the divine power is always listening to your prayers, your intentions, and your requests. Don't be afraid to ask for help, whether it's from God or any other higher power that you believe in. Be specific about what you need and what you want. Be open to receiving help in any form, whether it's in the form of a person, a situation, a message, or a miracle. Be grateful for the help that you receive and acknowledge the universe's presence and assistance in your life. Without looking for them, Take notice of and accept the signs the universe sends you. The universe is always communicating with you, sending you signs, symbols, and synchronicities that are meant to guide you, inspire you, and reassure you. Pay attention to the signs that you encounter, whether it's a number, a word, a song, a feather, a coin, or anything else that catches your attention. Trust that these signs are not coincidences, but messages from the universe that are relevant to your situation. Look for the meaning and the message behind the signs and follow the guidance they offer. Listen to your intuition because it is your inner voice, your inner knowing, your inner compass. It is the voice of your soul, the voice of the universe, the voice of truth. Your intuition is always guiding you, showing you the best path for your growth and happiness. Learn to listen to your intuition and trust that it knows what's best for you. Don't let your fears, doubts, or logic override your intuition. Follow your intuition, even if it doesn't make sense at the time, and trust that it will lead you to the right place at the right time and for the right reason. Stay positive because your thoughts and emotions are powerful forces that shape your reality. What you think and feel, you attract. If you think and feel negative, you attract negativity. If you think and feel positive, you attract positivity. Choose to stay positive even in tough times. Focus on the good, not the bad. Focus on the solution, not the problem. Focus on the opportunity, not the obstacle. Focus on the abundance, not the lack. Focus on the love, not the fear. By staying positive, you align yourself with the positive energy of the universe and you attract more positive outcomes into your life. Always assume the best, because one of the most powerful ways to use the law of assumption is to assume that everything will work out for the best, no matter what. Assume that the universe has a plan for you and that it is a good plan. Assume that everything that happens to you is for your highest good and is leading you to your desired outcome. Assume that the universe is on your side and that it is supporting you in every way. By assuming the best, you create the best, and you allow the universe to surprise you with even better. Stay on track because the universe has a vision for you, and it is a vision of greatness. The universe wants you to fulfill your purpose, to express your gifts, to share your light, to live your dreams. The universe wants you to be happy, to be successful, to be abundant and free. The universe wants you to be you, the best version of you. Don't let the tough times distract you from your vision or derail you from your path. Stay on track and keep moving forward. Trust that the universe is guiding you and that it will reward you for your efforts. Sometimes, it may seem like everything is working against you and you can't understand why. You may feel like you're doing everything right, but nothing is going your way. You may wonder if the law of assumption is even working for you or if it's just a hoax. These are the moments when you need to know how to pass the test of the universe. This is when you need to be strong in using and believing in the power of the laws of the universe, like the law of assumption. The universe is testing you at those times to see if you're strong enough to receive what you've been asking for. The test of the universe is not a punishment, it's a challenge. It's a way of refining your faith, your focus, and your feelings. It's a way of clearing any doubts, fears, or resistance that may be blocking your manifestation. It's a way of proving to yourself and the universe that you're ready for your desired outcome. Let it make you stronger, wiser, and more confident. Let it make you more faithful, more focused, and more aligned. Let it make you more ready, more worthy, and more deserving. How do you pass the test of the universe and continue on your journey from turmoil and hardship to beauty and fun? You pass the test of the universe by assuming that you already have what you want, even if you don't see it yet. You pass the test of the universe by feeling as if you already are what you want to be, even if you don't feel it yet. Don't give up because the test may seem hard. It's not an impossible task. Don't let the external circumstances discourage you or make you lose hope. Remember that your reality is a reflection of your inner state, not the other way around. Keep assuming that you already have what you want and act accordingly. Don't react because the test may trigger some negative emotions such as anger, frustration, or sadness. Don't let these emotions take you over or make you act impulsively. Instead, observe them and let them go. Don't let them affect your vibration or your assumption. Stay calm and detached from the outcome. Don't resist because the test may bring some unexpected changes, such as delays, obstacles, or detours. Don't resist these changes or try to control them. Instead, accept them and trust that they are part of the process. Don't let them shake your confidence or your assumption. Stay flexible and adaptable to the flow. Don't doubt because the test may make you question your assumption, your manifestation, or even yourself. Don't let these doubts creep into your mind or make you lose faith. Instead, affirm your assumption, your manifestation, and yourself. Don't let them weaken your conviction or your assumption. Stay positive and confident in your power. Thank you for listening. I encourage you to apply these amazing techniques in your life, and you will soon start noticing powerful changes. Also remember to like the video and subscribe to our channel to get notified of content like this. Until next time.